What's going on, everyone? Jack here with MarineMax Sarasota. Today we are aboard our brand new Boston Whaler 24 Vantage 2025. Starting in the back here in the stern, we have a nice big V10 Mercury WHT, 400 horsepower, pushing this nice 24-foot boat. As we come on in, you can see this nice little bench seat here that's good for 2 adults, 3 children, I would say. And you can tuck it away if you want to do a little fishing as well. You have a nice live well right here. As we come on into the boat, over here by the cockpit, you have a seat here that can be used to face the back, or if you would like, you can use a little lever, lay it down, and it can become a nice little day bed to lay on. As we get up here more towards the cockpit, you have a nice full head down below. Nice bathroom, little sink down in there to wash your hands as well. Over here by the captain chair, we have a nice 12-inch Simrad JL audio, and does come with built-in vessel view as well. As we get up here towards the bow, nice big relaxing area, and it does come with a windlass anchor, become a little remote, so you can drop that anchor automatically and pick it back up. If you guys are interested in this boat, come on down to MarineMax Sarasota today.